Outdoor lighting makes a big difference to an outdoor space, and using lights throughout your garden beds will show off all those amazing plants at night, or place them around decking or any hard landscape areas, and this will highlight any architectural features of the garden. And if you're a bit of a handy person, I think you'll be able to create a great design in no time and light up the whole backyard. I'm willing to bet you could start an outdoor lighting project on Saturday afternoon and have it finished by the time your friends come around in the evening with a handy DIY kit. Think about colour and its effect on plants when it comes to lights. White will produce the most natural effect and brings out colours of the foliage. Red turns foliage brown at night, and green brings out the colour of foliage, but it's not a natural shade. Blue will give your garden a mysterious tropical feel. To save time, work out what you're trying to do when it comes to lights. Is it for access around a deck area or to highlight something such as a pot? This RGB colour Wi-Fi deck lights kit is a plug-and-play system. It's so easy. Everything you need for the lights are in the box. Well, nearly everything. Power is important. And if you don't want to get a new socket installed, this will probably be your starting point to where you are going to begin installing the lights. I've chosen to install these lights on the steps leading down to the pool so you can see where you're going at night. Also adds a little bit of ambience to the pool area. Now they come in a couple of sizes, 30mm and 45mm. And the 30mm is ideal for this situation. They're fantastic because they withstand the rain, the heat, anything you can throw at them. And they're 12 volts, so anyone can install them. It's as simple as this. 1.8 metres wide is the maximum they can go apart, and you join them together with a simple plug and socket system. You drill your hole, you've got a cable, you push the cables through, put the light in, join them up behind, and that's it. So easy. The best bit now is controlling them via Wi-Fi garden light controller. You can adjust the colour, intensity of the light and the pattern. Perfect for teenage children. 2 choices for turning them on and off, by a timer or manually from the Holman Home app. Set it up so the lights can turn on automatically just after sunset any day of the week, and then turn off automatically when you go to bed. And remember, if you want to keep the insects away from where you're sitting at night, put these decking lights, or the ones furthest away from you, on blue. Apparently insects are attracted to blue. I'd love to know if it actually works. So contact us via Facebook and tell us if you've had success. How easy is that? Don't they look fantastic? So good.